Today's 2 Minutes of Science is about transistors. Now, transistors are the workhorse of electronics. They took the place of all those vacuum tubes that used to be around in the distant past, in my youth, if you will. Anyway, what they do is they provide amplification or switching. In the case of this little line drawing robot, by taking the signals that are picked up by the CDS cells from the lights of the LEDs and amplifying that signal, which is very weak, into something strong enough to drive the wheels, you have a means of making it work. Now, as far as providing an example of how a transistor works, what we're going to do is use a three-pronged environment where one represents the emitter, the base, and the collector. That's how transistors work. The base is like the signal that will be boosted, and the collector is where everything ends up, with the emitter in this case being a feed line that can continue to add more electrons, if you will, so that the voltage increases at the end of this. And that's one way to look at a transistor, as an aspirator vacuum. That is, the signal, because it's pushed through, and as long as the feed line doesn't have anything behind it, acts as an aspirator vacuum and picks up water or liquid from the other flow at the same frequency that it's distributing its own signal, so that it's in essence an amplification of that path. That's one of the purposes of transistors. Another capability of transistors is to act as switches, but we'll cover that at another 2 Minutes of Science. Thanks. Bye.